Hello and welcome. So in the previous video we had made our player to be able to move with animation. So as you can see he can move with an animation and it's looking good. Now it's time to add some background, some props like houses and and whatnot. We will add everything here to create a simple scene. Okay, so let's do it. We are gonna first we go to the player art. Okay, and choose the sorting layer of the sprite renderer to be by clicking add sort renderer, then add new ones and add one for environment, one for player. For now I have them ready and you can reorder them using this button by dragging this button. So I want the environment to be at the layer 0, then the default layer, then the player layer above all of them. So like this we are putting our layers. Okay, save it. Now go back to the art and choose the sorting layer to be the player for this player. And we are going to apply it to our prefab by going to here, apply all. Okay, good. Now we are gonna add a tile map. So click here, right click, do the objects, tile map, rectangular. Now this tile map will help us to um, create or shape our scene. Now we're gonna go the first tile map to be the grassland tile map. Okay, now hit this open tile palette button and we are going to find which palette we want to use. Of course you can shape palettes by just sprites, but I have them already ready from the asset. By the way, I'm using an asset that's made by Elf Games. You can find it on Unity Asset Store. So yeah, now I'm going to add the grass, which we are going to use, for example, this one. Drag and fill the area like this. Now we also want to add, for example, some lake. So to add this one we need to add it on the layer above it, so we cannot add it on this same layer. Same for this. Okay, let's add the props layer. Now this is the grassland. Let's add new 2D tile map, rectangular, call it props tile map. Now also I want you to make sure that these are both in the sorting layer of environment, this one and this one too, but make the props one order in layer to be above the grassland. Okay, so grassland, then props. Of course you can open the additional settings from here. Now the props, we're gonna open the tile palette and put some of these around to make it look better. Let's see what else we have. Okay, wait, for example, want this one like this, scatter them around. Okay, and also let's put a tree, 2, 3. You know what, it's better if we put the trees in different one, because let's check. Okay, no problem, we'll just scatter them around right now and remove this one because it's not looking good. Okay, and also this, like this. We have some trees. Now we will also add some rocks, big rocks like this, and small rocks like this and this. I feel the sprites are a little bit bigger than what we have, so what I'm gonna try to do is revert this size back to 5. It's looking good. Okay, this is looking good. Now we need to also make our art bigger, so make the scale of the art like 2. Notice we are only affecting the art, not the player character. Okay, save it. Let's test it again. We still have the same effects. You can walk. Okay, perfect. Maybe we need to increase his speed a little also. So let's do it. 4. Save. Apply all. Save. Okay, perfect. Now, you know what? It's better if we make these like each one in different tile map. Why? Because we're going to add something called Tilemap Collider 2D. And when we add it, it will apply to all of them. To all of the tilemap elements. So it's better if we split them. So let's do this. We're gonna create new one for the props that are not collidable and one for 2D sprites. I mean tilemap rectangular props. Let's call it collidable props tilemap and move whatever in here. First, let's remove the collider from these props. Okay. Now collidable, we're gonna add the tilemap collider, and we're gonna move whatever in prop or grass. Yes, whatever in prop here. Let's select. Can we do this? Let's try. We are in collidable. Yes. If you want to duplicate, okay, no issues. Let's just redraw them because we're gonna draw a couple of ones also. So let's first remove from the collider, from the props. We're gonna remove this and this, 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 and this. Okay, let's put them where in the collidable props tile map. Click on paint and yeah, let's paint them. Paint some of these, one here. Let's check what else we have. One like this maybe, and one like this. These are collidable, and so is the trees. Okay, let's add the trees now. 1, 2 trees. 3 trees. Okay. While we are at it, we can also add this kind of. I want to add this kind of hill, like this. And also I'm gonna add a small lake over there. Yes, like this, just to make it a bit stand out. Okay, now here we have the props and the collidable ones. Props, collidable props, and yep, we have a nice view right now. So let's make sure that our player will collide with them first. So let's check first. It will not collide. So to make him collide, we're gonna do what? Click on our player, add collider, capsule collider 2D. Then edit it. Make sure it fits like this. Okay. Now this collider will make sure that we are gonna collide with the objects in the scene. So first, you see, there's a weird behavior we will fix very soon, but you can see that he is colliding right now. So to fix this rotating behavior, we're gonna go to the rigid body 2D, add constraint, freeze rotation of Z axis. Now let's try it again. And yeah, as you can see, we can now collide with collidable props. Let's try the lake and the... Yep, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so here we have a small scene that is ready for our player to navigate. So yeah, see you in next video. Bye bye.